Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to introduce you an application for simply synchronizing data between two databases of the same structure. Here we have a command line client to my locally distributed MySQL database. Let's see the table list. Here we are. I will demonstrate the application, how the application will synchronize table empty for trades. First of all, let's see what we have there. Okay, the source table is empty. Just to test the application, we have to populate the table with some data, some random data. As you see, now we have 10,000 records. Here we have a command line client of SQL Server, the target database. And as you can see here, the table is also initially empty. Let's run the simplest scenario. Let's execute the simplest scenario. I will run the application from my development environment, but you'll run as any other Windows application after installation. What we can see here, source connection and all necessary credentials to connect the source database. Connection succeed. Here we have a table list. The target database is also succeed. First of all, we have to select the table to be synchronized. I will take empty for trades. And the second step, we have to specify a timestamp column. It should be a column that have the biggest value for most fresh modified records, modified or inserted records. In this case, we have the column named timestamp. Okay, now we can manually run the process. As we can see here, we need to synchronize 10,000 records. Well, in the database, all records are in place. You can see here and here. The tables are identical. If we run the synchronization one more, we'll see that nothing to do. Content is up to date. Now let's modify the source database a little. Oh, 72 rows were modified in source database. Let's run synchronization again. Well, process is completed, but we have here some mismatch of the number of rows. It doesn't matter because the counter here shows every 10 rows. Let's check this. What about target? Exactly. Well, as you can see, here we have the schedule section that allow to get some automatically running tasks. Here we are setting a step in minutes, hours, or days, and run. Since there's nothing to do because source and target tables are identical now, the program just trying to find some differences every second. Sorry. Oh. I have modified the source database. It's immediately changes were propagated to the target. Well, another useful feature is now we can stop this and use another useful feature. The current connections configuration may be stored external file and then load it. For example, I have previously created this file, and here I have loaded it, and it's immediately ready to start. Here we have two tables with appropriate timestamp columns. Well, so that's all for now. The only important warning is it's highly undesirable to exit from the program while synchronization process was not completed. So please remember about that. Well, if you have any questions, any bugs found, or any improvements desired, please contact me. Thank you.